All right, welcome back once more. In this lesson, we are going to log into our web hosting manager, and this is the login interface. You will type your username here and the password that we use for creating your account here, and then you click on login. Then definitely the account will be logged in. I know there are several things here at this corner and you will have nothing to do with it. There is only one thing you will be doing. Most of the time you're going to interact with this list account. If you don't see it here, you just type here list, List. You type, definitely you will see the list account here. If you click on it, it brings you to the same interface where we are. The list accounts are the websites you have already created, the systems you have already created and hosted for your clients. This is the database I have. It's a long one. I can open to see all of it, but I want to show you very quickly. For example, you have already bought your domain name from Namecheap, where we bought in the previous lesson, and now you want to host that domain. I don't know if it's a system you have developed somewhere and then you want to host it, or maybe it's a website you want to host. All of them are pretty the same. Once you log into your WHM system, just come and click on create a new account here. That account is going to give you this interface. The information you're going to put here is for a cPanel. A cPanel is an interface where you're going to download your software, install it under the domain name you have bought on Namecheap, so that at the end of the day, when you search for that domain on a browser, you are able to find it. So you will type your domain name here, and then here you will type the username for that cPanel. You type the password for that cPanel here, and then you repeat the same password for the cPanel. Here you will type the email where the installation details will be sent to, and here you will select the package you have created. In most cases, I usually create the packages for you so that you don't have to worry how this package is created. But if you're someone who's technical, it's something that you can research. I will link a video that shows you how to create that. You will select the package you need, and then you come down here and then you click create. It's that very simple. We have already created a cPanel. Now you come to the list accounts, you will see that domain is already created within your system, and the cPanel login interface is here. If you click on this logo here for the cPanel, it will take you directly to the cPanel without using any password. But if you have created the cPanel for your client, you have to give them the email you use for creating the cPanel and the passwords you use for creating the cPanel. Now, within the cPanel, this is the mailing interface. If you want to create emails for your customer, you create them here using this place. In the file manager, this is where your software is installed. Click on File Manager. If you have designed your software, maybe you coded it somewhere, now you will come and look for this public HTML and then you upload. But for now, you are seeing all these folders here because I have already hosted my website, the one even you are taking this course on, and that's why you are seeing all these files here. And then if you wanted to host a WordPress website, you can either click here or maybe come down and look for WordPress. You click here, it's the same thing. It takes me here, and now you click on install. It will ask you the domain name you want to install your system on. Mine is already installed. I can log in even to my website here, but I want to click on install. And now this is where you select the domain. Mine is already selected. I have only one domain here within this cPanel. If I had a subdomain, then you would select the subdomains that you have, and then you choose your username for your website, you choose the password for your website, you choose the admin email for that website. And then you come here. If you want to send the installation details to an external email, you can put the email here and then you click on install. Your WordPress website will be installed within 20 seconds. So that's the easy process from adding a new cPanel to your WHCM panel, moving on to Soft Hacklers and installing your software. Otherwise, see you in the next lesson.